Alright, what I want to show is the new mount I made and the new screen sheet I made for the screen. So the way that this is going to work is, here's my screen in the box here. I'll pull this out, and on the back of it you can see that these open up and they're spring loaded so they can hold on to something. Okay, so the mount I made is this. I cut out this thin board, mounted this block of wood to it, which the screen will clip onto, and then on the back I have a little bracket that will get held on by this clamp. So I'll show you how I assemble all this. Once it's assembled, I'll probably keep it together, but here's the actual shade. That's the shade that's going to mount the wood backing is going to mount to the bottom, so the screen's going to be this way, and you're going to be looking in. I cut the bottom out of this garbage can, little can, and I lined it with this door trim on the top and on the inside where I cut. Right here is the grommet for the hole to come out, for the wire to come out for the screen. And then we have 4 screw holes in the can where it's going to mount to that with these little nylon screws and wing nuts so I can take it apart quick. So I'll get that mounted and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, the screen is mounted on here. Like I said, it just clips on. I don't know if you can see that. And on the bottom, it's too dark, but like I said, it just clips on. So here's the cord coming out. We're going to mount this on the can, and I'll show you what it looks like after I get that set up. Okay, you can probably see the glare in there, but the screen's mounted. This is mounted to the back with the screws, and the wire's coming out the bottom. So let me show you how this mounts to the tripod. Okay, the first piece that's going to go on is this arm. It's going to mount to this clamp right here, which is connected to the tripod. The arm slides in, and we have an adjustment here. We have an adjustment here, here, and here. This is where the clamp's going to mount. So I'm going to mount the clamp. Okay, we got the clamp mounted right here. This is what's going to open up and hold that bracket. So let's get that mounted. Alright, the screen shade's mounted, as you can see, to the bracket. You look inside, there's the screen. I know it's dark because of the sun, but we'll come around and you can see the back and the overall setup. So let's get everything put back together. We'll turn the screen on. We have the camera on. I have the remote here for the TV. So we're just going to turn that on. And we've got our picture. So that's going to look pretty good. Alright, let's get to flying.